Mae'n bleser mawr I fod yma heddi ac mae'n gyffroes iawn yma heddi hefyd, ac mae hwn yn amser gyffroes iawn yn etholiad ei hun ond yn hanes ni fel cenedl hefyd. Yn yr etholiad dyn ni'n gyffroes achos dwi'n ffyddiog bod ni'n mynd I weld Penri James yn ymuno â tîm yn San Steffan. Tîm a fydd o diwedd yn cynnwys menyw hefyd, Mae'r Davies o Llanelli. It's very exciting to be here today. This is a very exciting time in the election, of course. It's an exciting time in our history as a nation as well. And I firmly believe that we are going to see Penri James elected to join the rest of our team in Westminster. And at long last, I was sure too that we are going to have a woman MP as part of that team, Mae'r Davies in Llanelli. Rydyn ni'n clywed y gair gwahaniaeth yn aml iawn y dyddiau hyn. Does dim eisiau edrych yn bellach na etholaeth fel Ceredigion I weld pa fath o wahaniaeth mae aelodau seneddol Plaid Cymru yn gallu gwneud. Gwir gwahaniaeth. Cynnog Davies, Simon Thomas, Elin Jones, gwir arloeswyr lleol. We hear a lot of talk about difference. All parties are talking about making a difference. But you don't have to look further than a seat like Ceredigion to see what a real difference Plaid Cymru elected members make. People like Cynnog Davies, like Simon Thomas and like Elin Jones as well. They really made a difference, not just here but right across Wales. And in Penri James, Ceredigion will have a champion, second to none, who will always put the needs of the people first, who, like his Plaid predecessors, will soon make an impact right throughout the country. Mae hwn yn amser gyffroes iawn I ni fel cenedl hefyd, achos bod pobl yn dechrau meddwl am ac yn dechrau trafod y math o Gymru rydyn ni eisiau adeiladu yn y dyfodol. Mae Plaid Cymru eisiau'r pŵer I Gymru I greu economi gwyrdd canoladwy, I ail-adeiladu ein cymunedau, I ddiogelu a gwella ein gwasanaethau yn hytrach na wario ar arfau niwclear, biliynau o bunnau ar arfau sydd yn anfoesol ac yn anghyfreithlon. This is an exciting time for us, Wales, as a nation, because people are thinking about and discussing the kind of Wales that we want to build in the future. We in Plaid Cymru want Wales to have the power to create a sustainable green economy, to rebuild our communities after years of neglect from London government parties, to safeguard and improve our public services instead of spending billions of pounds on Trident, nuclear weapons that are not only immoral but are also illegal. In government in Wales, we are leading the way on policies to fight climate change, creating green jobs. Wales has a tremendous role to play, given the opportunity, but we have to create that opportunity. It's not going to be given to us, we have to get it. And that's why it's so important that Penri is elected to join our team in Westminster. Hanfod Plaid Cymru yw trawsnewid y system. Roedden ni eisiau hynny blynyddoedd cyn bod unrhyw sôn am sgandal gyda'r treuliau yn San Steffan. Dyna beth sy'n gwneud Plaid Cymru yn wahanol. Mae aelodau seneddol ni yn mynd I Lundain, yn mynd I San Steffan I gael y gorau I bobl Cymru. Rydyn ni'n atebol I bobl Cymru ac I neb arall. Changing the system is what Plaid Cymru is all about. We wanted to transform Westminster before there was any mention of scandals with expenses. We've always wanted change, and that's what makes Plaid Cymru different. Our MPs go to Westminster, go to London to get the best deal for Wales, because we are answerable to the people of Wales and no one else, only to the people of Wales. That's the real difference. any real difference in this campaign. So make a difference. Vote Plaid, pleidleisiwch dros Penri James, gwahaniaeth i Gymru, buddigoliaeth i Ceredigion. Diolch yn fawr.